This 2025 Heartland Corterra 25.2RK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Conroe, Texas, 77301 and is offered for sale by UPTOWN RV, Conroe. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Heartland is 29 feet 0 inches in length and features a UPTOWN interior, sleeps 4, slide-out, and 46 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, rear kitchen, 2 entry/exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.